If you are thinking about doing GLP-1 medications, listen to this video. I have been in the hospital now since January the 2nd due to GLP-1s. This is something that I don't think a lot of people are talking about. I don't think a lot of people know about it because the companies that provide the GLP-1 medications, they're not telling, excuse me, I'm hoarse because I've been throwing up so much. But they don't tell people about all the hell that you can go through by taking GLP-1. Now, obviously, everybody's a little bit different. It doesn't affect everybody the same way. But from what I have found out from being here at the hospital, it affects a lot of people the same way that I'm going through right now. So it can cause your bowels to completely shut down and you have obstructions or blockages where they have to do surgery to actually clear it out for you. It causes severe dehydration. It causes malnourishment. It causes a lot of different things that a lot of people are completely unaware of. So I went through the company Mochi and was originally prescribed 0.25 and took it for 30 days. And for the most part, I didn't have any side effects from the 0.25. That's the lowest dose. And then this past Friday on the 2nd, they upped me to 0.4. Within an hour of me taking that, I was so sick that I thought I was dying. I was vomiting uncontrollably, was extremely nauseous and sick to my stomach. I could not keep anything down. I couldn't even drink water. So I came to the hospital, to the emergency room, and I ended up ultimately getting admitted to the hospital. I was kept until January 3rd, about 8:30 at night, and they thought that I was doing better because I had ate and drank some clear liquids and stuff like that, so they thought I was getting better. At 1 a.m. on the 4th, I drove myself back to the emergency room because I had really bad acid reflux and I felt like I was extremely full and nothing I did was relieving any of the pain. So I came in, they ended up giving me an enema to try to get me to pass, whatever, and it worked a little bit but not much. And then they gave me other medications for the acid reflux. They ended up sending me home that night. I got home about 2 in the morning, and I was not able to lay flat or lay down or go to sleep because the acid reflux and my stomach was so full, it felt like it was up to here. My partner had to work the next morning, so I stayed in the living room on the couch. And at 7:30, when his alarm went off, I went into the bedroom to try to get a little bit of rest. I was so miserable that I couldn't do anything. So within just a few minutes of me going into the bedroom, I ended up vomiting. And I vomited close to 5 pounds worth of fluids and stuff that came out of my stomach. And the only reason that I know that is because when I came to the emergency room at 1 a.m. or, that night before, I was 215 pounds. And when I came back to the emergency room that morning, I was 210 pounds. I puked up a bathroom trash can halfway full of fluids. So I ended up feeling like I had some relief, and I laid back down and thought I was going to be okay. And within just a few minutes, I ended up having to throw up again, and I threw up twice more before I had any relief. what ended up coming up out of me looked like it had came out the back door. It was brown, it stunk, it was really bad. So I ended up laying down, taking a nap, finally, got a little bit of sleep, woke up super nauseous again, and ultimately went and sat in the shower to run water on me, hoping it would make me feel better. At some point, I ended up blacking out because I was so dehydrated, and I woke up in the bottom of the shower with cold water running on me. I ended up, very stupidly, driving myself back to the hospital, and they ended up admitting me immediately, and I've been here ever since. They have done CT scans for bowel obstructions. They have done all types of blood work. I have IVs in me. It's disconnected right now because I just took a shower a few minutes ago. It's been hell. It's absolutely been hell. And this is something that nobody talks about with GLP-1s. And this is something that people need to hear about. It needs to be vocalized. More people need to talk about the negative experiences that they have with this medication, because I can tell you the doctors told me, had I not have been vigilant enough and got myself to the emergency room when I did, I could be dead. I was severely dehydrated, really malnourished. They gave me tons of different vitamin shots. Guys, my voice sounds like this because I've thrown up so much that it's damaged my vocal cords. So I'm having a hard time talking. But I just really wanted you guys to know what was going on, because these GLP-1s are not a joke. Yeah, they make you lose weight fast, but the side effects, they extremely outweigh the positive that you get out of it. So if you're thinking about doing GLP-1s, think twice. Join a gym, change your eating habits, do whatever you can, but avoid.